How to use gradients in Flame Painter 3 Pro. Now the key panels here are Tools, Palette and Layers. Once you've actually got those accessible, what you can do, you can actually just apply gradients in all kinds of things. You can use fills, you can just add them very quickly using that, as well as actually using the brush tool. You can see all the gradients there in the palette. You can select a gradient and you can then just fill the current layer with a gradient. You can change the direction, vertical or horizontal with that fill. You can just change it any time you want, and of course you can change it with different gradients as well. You don't have to use the same gradient I'm using there. You can quickly go over to the Layers panel and then click the plus and add another layer and then just fill that. You can see another gradient now. I'm using a different one. You can change vertical or horizontal again for that if you want. Create another layer using the plus and so on and so on. And just fill that again with gradients. You can just go continue on. Of course, one thing, of course, you can actually make it visible or not. You can just, on the left side, you see a little eye there. You can get rid of it. Also, you can create a layer and you can just fill it with a gradient fill brush stroke. So you just apply that and you can combine that as well. So once you've actually got that, you could apply filter effects as well, such as the glow. Okay, you can actually use blending modes via the layers. So you just go down there, go to difference, maybe darken, up to you. Some work better than others. What you can also do, you can use layers and blending modes with the others as well. So you just go to each of those layers and set difference, darken, lighten, whatever, subtract, overlay, so on and so on. So different combinations will produce different really super colourful backgrounds that you can use with your brush strokes. So I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much. You can find loads of resources on the Graphicxtras website. Thanks, bye.